Today we're going to make this pretty card with Pink and Main products and Kendra's Card Challenge 17. Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. Happy New Year and welcome to Kendra's Card Challenge 17. Since it's a new year, new quarter, we are starting out with a new card challenge and she is up to number 17. So today the design team is going to be sharing inspiration for all 15 cards from Kendra's Challenge number 17 PDF. And today I'm going to be playing with some Pink and Main products. I have the Fun Pastels paper, and then I have some elements from the Pink and Main die, the Cards by Kendra coordinated with. It's her Card Cut Essentials die set number 1. I'm going to be pulling in that Hello sentiment, it's my favorite, and the hearts, and I'm going to be using sketch number 4. As I cut the pieces and assemble my card, I will tell you a little bit more about Kendra's Card Challenge 17. There is a link in the description box below to the KCC 17 introduction video where she tells you how you can access the PDF printable that gives you a cutting guide for 6 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper and the card sketches that help you turn those 6 sheets into 15 cards. And she does have, you do have to sign up for at least a free Patreon account in order to have access to the free printable. But again, like, there is the option to do a free account. If you should decide to support her even more and sign up for a paid membership, you do get access to a lot of other perks as well as like archived versions of the Kendra's Card Challenges. So check that link below. The playlist will also be linked below. And Kendra is always so generous, and there is an awesome prize that is available with this hop. And so each video that you watch will have a giveaway form linked in the description box as well. And you can click on that link, fill out the form for each video, so you have multiple chances to win. And then each design team member will have a secret code, essentially. So not only am I crafting with Pink and Main products today, Pink and Main is a super sponsor for KCC 17. And Pink and Main is also my phrase. So in each giveaway form, there will be a space for you to put the giveaway phrase. And so depending on the video that you're watching, you will need to put that video's phrase. Again, my phrase is Pink and Main. It's the super secret password to win or to enter the giveaway from my video. And there are some new changes this year or this quarter for how to enter Kendra's Card Challenge. So there are multiple chances to win prizes, you know, whether you're watching the design team hops for the super sponsors, or if you are wanting to upload the pictures of all 15 of your cards. In the past you would upload those to the Facebook group. Now there is a link party that will be open for each challenge that you will upload your photos to, and I will include a link in the description box below for that as well. And again, I believe Kendra talks more about that in her video. It just makes it easier for, there's luckily Kendra's Card Challenges have become so popular. There are a lot of entries each month for the 15 cards, and so this is just an easier way for Kendra to kind of sort through those and to do her giveaways and just kind of keep track of all that. So be sure to follow the new entry guidelines for the 15 cards. And again, you can enter one set of 15 cards each month, so you have 3 chances to win prizes through that way as well throughout the quarter. So be sure that description box always houses a lot of information There's a lot of important links down there. And I will also include any of the products that I can find that are still available from Pink and Main. I will include those in the description box as well. But I hope you all have a very crafty 2025. I can't believe it's the new year already, and I hope everybody has fun plans for the new year. Now that I have all of my pieces kind of ready to put together, I did end up turning the card horizontal instead of vertical in order to make my hello sentiment fit. And again, I really wanted to use this hello. It's my favorite hello die that I have. And again, it's one of the Card Cut Essentials set number 1 pieces. And so I wanted to make sure to be able to include that. And then the hearts are also from that same die as well. They were left over from, I think, projects from last fall. I had used the die a bunch of times. I just cut up a bunch of 6x6 sheets, and I had some of these pieces left over, so I thought I would use those to fill my circle. And one thing to note too for Kendra's card challenge, the card sketches, if you aren't up for making all 15 cards at one time, her individual sketches do have the measurements for that particular card sketch, so you can make one at a time. So like today, in order to make card number 4, I am just using the sketch and the measurements that are on the sketch for all the pieces that I cut. Now I can go ahead and add my card to my card base, or my card front to my card base. And this was pretty much real time, so I kept it simple today. Just highlighting some Pink and Main products. Pink and Main is always, they've been a pretty consistent super sponsor, and so we're always grateful for all that they do. They provide not only items for the design team to craft with, but they provide prizes for all of the challenge participants, or not all, but prizes for the challenge participants to win. They're always very gracious. All of the super sponsors are very gracious for Kendra's Card Challenge, so it's definitely a wonderful thing. I just added a few vinyl circles. These are little circles I cut out of some scrap vinyl that I had, and they're kind of like dimensionless enamel dots, or flat enamel dots. And so I just added those to some of the white space around my hello sentiment. And then from that strip that I cut, I had a tiny little piece left over, and so I'm just going to add that to the inside of my card just to bring some of that color in. And quick and easy, just like that. My card number 4 is complete. Here's a closer look at my card, and I hope that you guys hop along and see all of the other card sketches this month. Please be sure to check all the links. Thank you so much for your time, and hope you all have a very crafty day.